Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn how to take the printout from Samsung Internet Browser. To launch the Samsung Internet Browser, open any page that you want to print. Say suppose this is the page that I want to print. So once you visited this page, just tap on this 3-bar options, and from here at the bottom you can see this print or PDF. Just tap on it and you will see the print preview here. So what you can do is, first thing, you need to change your option to print and select the printer. Right now it is set as save as PDF. Go and select all printers and choose the printer. So choose the printer. So right now I do not have any printer, so I cannot show exactly how to add the printer or what we can do, but I believe if you have read the manual that you have received along with your printer, then you can obviously configure the Android device with the printer. So once the printer is selected, what you can do is you can just choose that particular printer, and there are certain customization options here, like the number of copies you want, the letter, paper size, and all those stuff. You can just customize it accordingly and then give a print command. Once you give the print command, the print will automatically send to the printer machine you have connected to your Android device, and the print hard copy will be generated. In this way you can print the pages from your Samsung Internet Browser. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.